You need to be doing the goblet squat, especially if you're over 40, over 50, over 60. Let me give you a really quick story. My dad recently had 2 double knee surgeries, total knee replacements. I said, Dad, we gotta get to work, man. We gotta start squatting again. We gotta get you moving because it's so important to be able to squat. I'm not talking about back squat. I'm not talking about any squat that puts an extensive load on your body. I'm talking about a goblet squat. The goblet squat is so great because you're holding a kettlebell here. Your center of gravity now becomes a little bit easier to control. So that way, if you squat down and you're holding the kettlebell, it's a lot easier to get in and out of the circle. Let me explain this. This is your kettlebell. This is your goblet. This is what you're holding like this. You're pushing it against your body and you're gonna push your butt out. You're gonna pull yourself down and you're gonna drive away from it. I can hold this kettlebell so many different ways. I'm just holding it by the horns, just like this. Push your butt out, come up, squeeze the glutes up at the top. I'm telling you right now, this is one of the best exercises you should be doing. If you can't do it, we're gonna work our way to doing it. You can take a bench, you can take a chair, you can sit down. That's what I did with my dad. I had him sit down, I had him stand up. Then we added the load to the movement. So it just depends on where you are in your fitness journey. The goblet squat is so great. 2 things I don't want to see. I don't want to see you going forward. It's not a hinge. It's a knee bend. And it's coming down and it's going up just like that. Second thing I don't want to see, round into the shoulders. I want your chest up. I want you to be able to gaze out in front of you. I want you to inhale, exhale. That's your goblet squat. The challenge for you to do is at least 10 reps, perfect reps. I want great reps. Work your way up to 20 reps. Try to go 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 10 times. You need to be doing the goblet squat, plain and simple. Go get it, let's go.